Hi friends, Konnichiwa. Welcome to Madame Fuji's Japanese Daily Life. Today I like to share our Kinugawa short trip on the weekend. Kinugawa is the name of this broad river, and it became the name of the town as well, which is located in Tochigi prefecture, where you can get about 3 hours drive or 2 hours ride by train from Tokyo. As my husband and I are working in the central Tokyo and our work is quite hard as many other Japanese, we realized the importance of winding down, taking a rest in the nature, and just doing almost nothing. Hearing the birds chirping, especially hearing Japanese nightingales chirping in this season to tell us that spring has come, we feel so blessed that beautiful season is arriving at last. The season of cherry blossoms in full bloom, which is so beautiful and what we Japanese are longing for the springtime. Cherry blossoms are in bloom for just a short while, like for a week or longest, so we never want to miss beauty. Beauty lasts only for a short while, which is the essence of wabi-sabi. That's the biggest reason why we Japanese admire cherry blossoms so much, I believe. For lunch, we came to this favorite soba restaurant. My favorite is this kamo nanban. You put cold soba in this hot soup of veggies and duck. Children enjoyed udon with fried mochi and udon with deep fried tempura butter. Okay, we are full. ごちそうさまでした。Now let's take a walk with our kawaii dog. Her name is Momo, 13 years old, Yoki, born in Shibuya. She's a little bit naughty and selfish, but it's okay because she's just too cute to get angry with. Bridge is a 140 meters long suspension bridge. What kind of scenery can you enjoy in the middle of the bridge? It's 37 meters high from the ground. You can enjoy the amazing view of steep valley and the Kinugawa River. but Momo seems to realize how high she is right now. Alright, let's go back. Well done, Momo. Let's wind down at the hotel. Kinugawa is famous for great onsen, which is hot springs, so you can experience Japanese-style spa while staying at the hotel. I'll put some information about hotels and hot springs of the town down below in the description box. We love so much to relax outdoor. This is the perfect place for that, with many kinds of sofas and chairs with a little fireplace. So relaxing. We love to pick up some local omiyage, which is souvenir in Japanese, since it's something you can hardly get in Tokyo. Even postcards are made of wood, as you can see. Just 3 hours from Tokyo and you can enjoy totally different air. That's the reason why we love to come back here once in a while. Hope you'll discover the relaxing beauty of Kinugawa if you come to Japan. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like what you saw, please consider subscribing to the channel, leave a like and share this video, and follow me on my social media as well. I'd appreciate so much if you leave some comments or requests down below. I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye! またね!